Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Deja and I'm just coming to you guys on how to make Dalgona, which is a really popular craze that's going on right now, especially if you're familiar with like TikTok, and it's pretty popular on YouTube as well. A lot of YouTubers are making it. What is Dalgona? Coffee. That's what essentially it is, but the texture of it changes from you whipping it and increasing the air inside of it. This is the Dalgona coffee. My glare is really crazy right now, but this is basically what it is, and that's what we're gonna be making. I posted it yesterday on my story and I got a lot of questions about it, way more than I thought that I would, because I thought that a lot of people already knew about this, especially because like I said, it's so popular. We're in quarantine, what else is there to do, right? Make videos. So the recipe itself is really easy. It takes 2 seconds. It's a 1-to-1 ratio for the whole thing, meaning you're gonna use equal parts of all your ingredients. I have right here instant coffee. So this is from Nescafe. I got this at my local Aldi's. So we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of that. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of sugar, self-explanatory, and then also 2 tablespoons of hot water. I'm boiling my water just to make sure that it's really hot. So I have a bowl here. Oh, and you're also gonna need an electric hand mixer. You can do this by hand, like manually, but it will take a lot of arm power. I don't have time for that. So you have to whip this for about 7 to 8 minutes for it to really get fluffy in texture. If you're hand mixing it, it's about double that. So you're gonna need to hand mix it for 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna start showing you guys the process. Okay, perfect. So the first one is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. So we have that here. Boom, done. My 2 tablespoons are good. Now you need 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. I've got to bend down so you guys can see me. So here's my 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's good. And now the last one is 2 tablespoons of hot water. I'm just gonna go grab mine off the stove. Ooh, this is actually really hot, obviously. And 2 tablespoons of the hot water. 1, 2, and that is it. Those are literally all your ingredients that you're gonna need as far as the whipped coffee part goes. Now we're just gonna mix this little concoction up. Well, this is what it looks like. The faster and higher speed that you mix this at, the better.
I just realized throughout this entire video, I never described how this tastes. The coffee part alone is very strong and bitter in taste, and quite frankly, it doesn't taste too good on its own. But once you mix it with milk is when you get a whole different experience. It becomes sweeter and reminds me of like a frothy iced coffee. And of course, depending on what kind of milk you use will slightly alter the overall taste you get as well, which is why I personally use vanilla almond milk in mine, because I love my coffee to be really sweet and creamy.
I've been whipping it for like what, a minute or 2, and it's already lighter and a little bit more foamier and fluffier. I feel like a talk show host. Alright, so we almost done. It's almost at that texture that I like. I'm such a texture person. Look at that. Oh, just look how marvelous that looks. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so we're all done. We made our beautiful whipped coffee part of it. Doesn't it just look amazing? The texture is just chef's kiss. So what we're gonna do now is put it on top of your favorite milk of choice. My favorite is vanilla almond milk. I feel like you can just never go wrong with vanilla almond milk. Get you a cup, preferably a see-through glass cup. This way you can see the pretty, you know, aesthetic of the coffee, and just get you some nice ice in it, because we want this to be cold. It's gonna be like a treat. So I fill mine probably about 75% full. I leave a little bit. Okay, that's like, now it's like 75. You know what, I feel like I should zoom in just to give you guys just the perfection that's about to happen. Now we're just gonna top it, and you just put it right on top. And if you did it properly, it should sit the way it's sitting right now. it should do just that. And here we have it, the Dalgona coffee, the craze that has been all over TikTok and Instagram. It's so pretty, it's so good. Once you mix it, of course, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I mix it. I just wanted to jump on here and show everybody what it looks like once it's all mixed up. It kind of reminds me of like, I think they're like the macchiatos from Starbucks. I think that's what it's called, where they kind of use egg and it makes it really foamy and cloudy. Just listen to the ice. That's how thick and creamy. It's like a, not a milkshake. It's much more fluffier than milkshake. I don't know what to call it. It's just heaven. It's like a cloud. You're drinking a cloud. You have a winner. It's really, really good. I really recommend you guys to try it out. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Deuces. Getting your thumbnail be like, bye airplane, rude.